Chapter 6. This chapter highlights the manifested nature of leadership and its profound impact in the organization's success. Reinforces the idea that effective leadership is not merely about authority but involves inspiring and motivating individuals to achieve the common goals. The emphasis on motivation resonates deeply and understanding what drives teams numbers can lead to a more engaged workforce. Moreover, the explorations of different leadership theories provides valuable insight into the diverse approaches leaderships can adopt, encouraging self-reflections on one's own leadership styles. The importance of communications cannot be overstated. It is the bridge that connects leaders to their teams, facilitating collaboration and minimizing misunderstanding. Finally, the discussion on the managing change resonate with the current fast-paced business environment. The ability to lead through change is crucial to the organizations most continuously adapt to remain competitive overall. This chapter serves as a reminder that effective leadership is a combination of personal traits, learned behavior, and the ability to connect with the motivate others in an ever-evolving landscape. And that's all for the chapter 6, my reflections.